second she pulls her trap up to put the Heritage out here because you can see it better, she pulls up a little perch. They puff right out like a puffer fish.
Yes, this one. How about this?
That's messed up, bro. It was like, wait, what? That was the easiest thing ever. Like, that was not bad. He didn't even get hooked, I don't think. If you put him in the sled though, I can use him for jigging bait. Or actually right on top of here, because the wind will dry him out.
On top of here?
Yep. That flag just went off. I want the snow to pack down, not it to clear off the ice. That's not a perch. I'll hold this one. See the lines right on the ice. Not sure what I've got yet. Back roll. Pull through. You want to always check for abrasions, because I felt one and barely pulled like this and it went snap. So the very next fish that I got would have been a break off. It's little things like that. Yep. Parts of it, there's a couple of pictures going.
Okay.
She has hers on the same way. I always do the saltwater thing too. There was a fish biologist here last time I was here.
Comes out here quite a bit.
I think that was his name.
Yeah, Beard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He seemed like a good guy.
He's a riot. He's one of my favorite people to work with.
Yeah.
He's very, very smart. The bait fish stuff, I suck at that, but he can just about pick out every single one.
Really?
Yeah, it's pretty impressive.
I can tell smelts from shiners. That's it.
Yeah, exactly.
That's as far as I go.
Yeah.
No further. Hey, do you have your phone? Yeah. I told them that we were going to be staying out here.
Thank you.
If I could go back in time, I'd be a game warden.
It's a pretty sweet gig.
Yeah.
I definitely got no complaints. I'm from Vermont originally, and then I spent about 6 years in Farmington, so I knew I wanted to get back up this way. So
Vermont's got some good fishing too.
it does, yeah. I mean, my family's got a place up on the northern Canadian border up there, and
That must be nice.
and Big Cove up there. I mean, the northerns up there are unreal.
Yeah.
You're holding fish that big, wicked fun.
Even if one person could catch a 40-incher after me, I'd put it back just for that.
My uncle guides up in northern Vermont, and most of his guiding year-round, the waterfowling up there is unbelievable, but most of it ends up coming down to ice fishing.
Yeah.
Because people just want to catch a big fish.
And that's pike or lake trout.
Exactly.
No,
So,
nothing else. And
choose a
lake
good
trout
market
is
for 'em.
pretty much off the menu this year, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Our
Probably.
big lakes are not freezing.
No, I love fishing. I don't like fish.
Yeah.
So I put everything back. Well, hey,
Unreal.
good luck, folks. And
you.
if I hear anything, I'll let people know that I know you're staying here.
Okay,
But
we'll be
for the
out of
most
here
part,
tomorrow.
I don't think anyone's really going to bother you. So.
Okay. I just didn't, I figured since I saw you that. Thank you very much. Just ran with it again. Something keeps hitting it and just sending it up. So, is that up?
Yep.
What a nice day. Just a perch. Sometimes you want to make sure, because if you take enough line out and you wrap it on the wrong way, if it goes this way, the trap doesn't go off. So it has to come off that way. I've done that so many times because the flag literally couldn't go up. Go for it. Pull slack, stand up right over here. There's definitely a fish on it.
He is feisty.
Hey, take this.
I was gonna say, I just heard.
The fish just pulled it out of my hands. Just a little yellow perch. These tough little guys. That one? Let it spin, see if it's spinning. Spinning? Which way is it going? Dead minnow that we've caught 2 on now. How many fish have you caught today? Minnow kebab. One brookie, 1 pickerel, or 2? Put it down one more time, might as well. How many fish can you catch off of 1 minnow? We gotta get the inside of the shack really straightened out. And then we'll go around and take them up, starting with the furthest ones. I have scoured this side of the pond. Since we're sleeping here, we can leave these traps in until just about dark and walk around and get them, and then go in the shack. Probably just do some jigging in there while we make some dinner. We have some really nice marbly steak and potatoes O'Brien, basically like home fries. And I brought a little Chicago steak seasoning and some A1 sauce. And I have that for dinner. It's definitely getting colder. It's gonna get dark quick from here on. Gonna bring a scoop or 2 of fresh snow in before we drill out this hole. Okay. I see no more sunshine, so this might be our last flag for today. I think we're on like 13 fish between us. Sometimes if you put it right back down, you get lucky and they grab it again. I'm gonna put this one back down for a minute. And we'll go get any ones that are, hey, something's got him, I think. We can take this trap. Just think about it, in the morning, all of this shit we walked over will be frozen and crusted and easier to walk on. Picking up our traps. And get another flag. It's starting to get pretty cold, thirsty and hungry. Yellow perch. What's left? Just your one? Well, if you count the ones inside plus mine, there should be 8. Some beautiful steak, look at that. And I brought some Chicago steak seasoning. and some to be thawed A1 sauce in this little jar here. Hopefully we can stay warm tonight. It's gonna be pretty close to 0. Let's turn the gas on. Whoa, all or nothing. We're gonna put an aluminum cooktop up here and get some butter going. Potatoes O'Brien. Pretty much like home fries. See what the steak looks like. Not my favorite fork. That heat is going. Works pretty good. Look at that. To be so spoiled while sleeping on a frozen lake after catching fish all day. Pretty damn good steak and some home fries. Oh, that's pretty good. So the plan is I'm gonna eat the rest of my dinner, then I'm gonna plug the AquaView in, jig for a little bit, see if I can call anything in, catch a couple more fish tonight, and if not, then play some cards or something with my old lady, and then probably go to sleep. Well, it's 9:51, 13 degrees outside. I think it was 17 last checked. If I see like a face or something down here, I'm gonna wig out. This light should draw some fish in too. I'm surprised it's not. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a night. Had no luck jigging. Ended up in a weedy spot with the shack. Yeah, so I'm gonna get in bed. It's definitely getting a little colder in here. Or maybe my skin's just getting thinner. So, it's after 10 o'clock now. It's pretty cold outside. All in all, it was a pretty good day. Hope we can catch some more fish in the morning and then get backed up and head home. I'll see you in the morning.
The next day.
We slept in until a little after 8. We're starting breakfast. It's kind of smoky in here. Got some blueberry oatmeal. Some potatoes. Some home fries and some eggs, some bacon, some caffeine is a must, and we'll be packing up and getting stuff ready to go here in a couple hours. But if you're already like 300 pounds, 250 pounds, second you put on a 3XL ice fishing suit, you look like Stay Puft Marshmallow Man, and it's harder to move around. Because you're like, because they make them so fluffy. Lay off on the puff. We're literally about to leave. And I had 4 traps that I'm picking up on the way out. Lo and behold, I'm staring at the furthest one and it goes pop. It's always the furthest one. Just a little baby. I have another flag. This time I'm ready. Yeah. There's way too many perch in this little pond. Today, it's been like mostly perch. Dude, whatever it is taking it from me right now. I'm gonna let it go for it. jigged you up, didn't I?